Less than ape data end equals 327 data start equals 90 greater than. As of this weekend, the UK government has officially enforced a nationwide ban on the sale of disposable vapes, and there's a lot to unpack here. Not just about what this means legally, but why it's happening and why it actually matters. A less than P data end equals 738 data start equals 329 greater than. So let's start with the big picture. This ban isn't just about stopping people from vaping. It's about addressing a serious and growing problem, especially among young people, and in terms of environmental impact. Disposable vapes, those brightly colored, sweet-flavored gadgets, often marketed to seem fun and harmless, have quietly become one of the most misused and mishandled electronic products in the UK. Less than P data end equals 1191 data start equals 740 greater than. And here's where things get alarming. Research shows that over less than strong data end equals 886 data start equals 803 greater than 5 million disposable vapes were being thrown away improperly every week in 2024. Less than, strong, greater than. That's not just a waste problem, it's a fire hazard. These vapes contain lithium-ion batteries, and when they're crushed or improperly stored, they can catch fire or leak toxic chemicals into the environment. Think about it. 13 vapes are being discarded every single second. That's a recipe for disaster. Less than P data end equals 1594 data start equals 1193 greater than. Despite the clear dangers, over 80% of current users have reportedly been stockpiling them ahead of the ban, but authorities have warned that hoarding these products could literally cost lives. The fire risk is real. These aren't just fun little gadgets. They're electronics with volatile components. Storing them carelessly at home, in bags, drawers, or worse, around children, is extremely dangerous. Less than P data end equals 1967. Data start equals 1596, greater than. What's more troubling is the effect on kids. Experts and even school staff are raising the alarm about children as young as 11 becoming addicted to nicotine through these disposable vapes. There are even reports of kids sleeping with vapes under their pillows and waking up in the middle of the night to use them. That's not just a bad habit. It's a serious health crisis. Less than SEEP data end equals 2348 data start equals 1969 greater than. The government is hoping this ban will put a lid on that, reducing the number of young people exposed to vaping and cutting down the avalanche of litter that these products create. Retailers are now legally required to stop selling disposables and properly dispose of any leftover stock. Only refillable and rechargeable vapes with replaceable coils will be allowed going forward. Less than P data end equals 2733 data start equals 2350 greater than. But the road ahead isn't entirely smooth. There are concerns about black market alternatives and whether the industry will find loopholes. Already, some new products on the shelves are looking suspiciously like the banned disposables. Officials at UK Borders and Trading Standards say more enforcement and funding will be needed to stop illegal imports and keep harmful products out. Less than P data end equals 3057 data start equals 2735 greater than. Still, the message is clear. This ban is not just about changing what's on store shelves. It's about shifting public awareness and behavior. Disposable vapes were never truly disposable, in a safe or responsible sense. They've been marketed that way, but the environmental and health costs have proven too high to ignore. Less than P data end equals 3216 data, is last node equals data, is only node equals data start equals 3059 greater than. So if you vape, this is a moment to pause and think, not just about alternatives, but about how we can all do better for our health, our kids, and the planet. Stay subscribed for more videos.